Hi guys, this is Love Signature and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I created this nude look, this video is for you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. I did the skin prep off camera, then trying to use my hydrating spray to set the skin prep I did and hydrate the skin. Because I want to achieve a nude look, I went in with a light foundation. I tried to get the skin tone and all that, and I guess I got it correctly because I don't want it to be noticeable that I applied foundation on the first. And guys, look at the difference is not much now. You can clearly see that I got the exact skin tone, okay, because I don't want it to be heavy on her because that's a nude look. And I guess I did well. Okay, we'll move right to the other part to apply the foundation and blend very well. Some people like using brush, but I love using my beauty blender because it's giving me that smooth effect and I love it so much. Okay, you can see the effect it's giving, and we moved in with our concealer from Zickel. I so much love this Zickel product because of the coverage, and I didn't apply much, just a little because I don't want it to be that popping. Just applied a little at the under eye, then your T-zones, and blend properly. You need to blend your concealer in to avoid that harsh line. No, I don't like people to see the demarcation from the foundation and the concealer, so that's where I love blending in my concealer well. Then I moved in with this blush from Zaron. This liquid blush from Zaron did the job well. Like, it's not that matte blush, is a lightweight blush and it's very easy to blend. As you can see the effect on the face, like the blush is already popping out. I love that popping it gives. That's why I love applying my liquid blush first before the powder blush on the face. And for this product, it did the job well. And please don't forget to blend in. I love blending in my blush because I don't want it to be too obvious that I applied a liquid blush. That's why I tried my best to blend it in. And also, to avoid harsh lines, you try to blend it into the foundation, and after that you move into your setting powder. I'm sorry, baking powder. I'm sorry, press powder. I love using my press powder before my setting powder, like especially under the eye. I love applying the press powder, then after I'll move in with my setting powder to set the base. And at times I miss both the press powder and the setting powder. I will then use my small brush to blend in the press powder and the setting powder together. Okay, I've done my contour off camera because my battery was low, so I have to charge my battery. I did the contour off camera, then after I use my big brush to apply my press powder on the face. You have to set the face with your setting powder, with your press powder. Blend it very well. At this point I'm tired of doing this voice notes, but with faint notes. God help me. Okay, trying to draw my eyebrows, I was not able to get the full videos because of my battery was low. I have to plug it. And the eyeshadow also, I was not able to get the full video also, but I promise you to do that in my next video. I promise, it's a promise. Okay, trying to draw the eyeline. You need to be very careful when doing these parts to avoid staining your makeup and the lady tearing up. Tell me what you like about the look, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye, see you in my next video. Love you.